Hey, today we are making protein oatmeal banana cookies. You will need 3 frozen bananas cut up into pieces, 2 scoops of Orgain Simple protein powder. This is creamy vanilla, or you can use any protein powder of your choice. And then 2 cups of 100% whole grain oats. And then I'm also gonna add just a little bit of raisins. So I already microwaved the frozen bananas for 30 seconds. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take 2 scoops of protein powder. It doesn't have to be perfect, just rough estimate. Have to add any extra sugar because, or even any honey or anything, because they turn out super delicious and sweet just by using the protein powder. 2 cups of oats. Okay, and then we're gonna pour that in. And mix this really good all together. And you know what? I'm gonna add one more ingredient. I forgot. I need a little bit of salt. Salt really brings out the flavor. There's hardly any salt coming out, and I'm out, so I'm gonna get more. Okay, so I'm just mixing this together. I added about a teaspoon of salt, and I like to add things as I go. So on some of these I'm gonna add some raisins, and then I think on some of them, I think in the whole batch, I'm actually gonna do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Actually, I'm sorry, scratch that, flax seeds. I have flax seeds at the moment. I don't have chia seeds at the moment. I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of those because they add so much to this. And I'm gonna be using these Bob's Red Mill whole flax seeds. Okay, so there's 2 spoonfuls right there. And just mix this up really, really good. So I'm just gonna add some raisins to the top. Like chocolate chips is what I'm thinking when I'm doing this. Okay.
I'm kind of like pushing down so that...
Here. And then we've got the oven at 355. I don't know why I did that. I should turn it to 350. Okay, we've got the oven at 350. And we're gonna put this bad boy in here. Okay, and we're gonna just check them at 8 minutes because my oven is extremely hot. But they say to cook for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna check them at 8 minutes. And then we'll see how they turn out. So I noticed these were kind of not flattening, so I flattened them by hand with a spatula. I want them to look more like a cookie and not like an oatmeal ball. So I'm just gonna do this and hope that they form more like a cookie shape. Okay, and then, so they have 2 more minutes, and I just felt them, and they're still setting up. They still have a ways to go. They're not even starting to brown, so I'm just gonna put them in for, I'm gonna add 5 more minutes to this. So originally I should have probably put them in for like 14 minutes or so. So we're gonna check them at 5 more minutes.